Hi everyone. Today we are going to take a look at a feature introduced in the Voltamex v10 Darwin release, converting Figma designs directly into Iris, which is our IDE. In this video, we'll cover what this feature is, how it works, and walk through a demo showing how it can significantly speed up application UI development. So let's dive in.
So what does this feature actually do? So effectively this lets you bring in any Figma design into Iris app. You do not have to have started that Figma design with a particular template to begin with. It supports multiple platforms. You can do it for mobile, tablet, or desktop form factors. It is very cost effective and it is made available to all our paying customers at no extra charge. And it can be used for bringing in a new design into an existing app or to create new apps altogether. So how does this work? So to begin with, we'll need to download a Figma plugin that we have created and which is hosted as part of our software. There is a section under MyHCL Software and Utilities. You can go there, download the Figma plugin, and you can import that plugin into Figma. And once you have done that, you can export the design that is built in Figma into a JSON file. The plugin will take care of that. You can just choose the frame and export it. Then you go to Iris, which is our IDE, choose whichever project you want to import that form into and import that file. We have deployed Alt IQ, which is our AI assisted development, which will convert using AI to convert that Figma design into Iris UI and UX, basically making it into an Iris compatible form. And then you can go ahead and start working on other pieces and updating it to deploy it across different platforms and channels. So effectively, you can bring your ideas from design to an app in a matter of minutes. This is expected to cut down your UI UX application development time by at least half. Remember, Figma is only design, it does not have any logic. The app developer will still have to create the logic that goes in with the app for this. Now let's see a quick demo of how this looks. Right, so we start with a project. We are just creating a new project here and giving it a name, and then we will go to Figma, and here we'll look at few designs. So this is a design that we're going to pick up for desktop. We go and run our plugin, and in this case we are going to run the Figma to Iris plugin that we have imported. You export whatever frames you want into a zip file. The plugin will take care of it. You just have to choose the frame. So we're going to try it for 3 different form factors: mobile, tablet, and web. So this one is going to be for a tablet. The earlier one was for web, and now we're going to for a mobile view as well, and we're going to export this as well so that we have 3 different UI that we are going to try with. So once we have done that in Figma, now we come over to Iris, and in Iris you can just go to any project, go to forms, and then you have a new option there saying import Figma form. So you choose whatever you had exported from the Figma plugin there. You choose this particular zip file and then click open. It will use AI runner trained LMs behind the scene and import the form. And you can see it has brought in a fully functional UI with all the elements as per the Iris things. You can see the flex containers and images and the hierarchy within the form so as to build that particular UI. Now we'll go and try the same for tablet. The other screens that we had imported, we choose the appropriate file from our local system, and we can see that form also has been generated. We can go and tweak the names and stuff that it has created. All the forms that it has created is editable. You can see the tab, the buttons and the widgets, and even the map widget here in this particular UI, which was interpreted as a map and not as an image. So that also has come over, and we also are going to try now for a desktop screen. So as you can see, all the screens that it is importing is going beyond the visual range as well. So if there are conflicts and stuff while it imports, it will ask you how it wants to sort it. The full layout is available, so you can see it is going beyond the visual range. You can see it is scrolling, and all the content that was there in the Figma has come over. So whatever it has imported, if you want to go and edit it, you can have full flexibility to go and change it. So it is meant to speed up the application development but still give you the full flexibility to go ahead and create your applications. So this, we hope, will be a game changer when it comes to making great looking applications done much sooner than ever, bringing them to life, because it, as you can see, it only takes a few seconds for it to generate it. It is probably going to need some tweaks. You're gonna, make some edits once it has come over. You're gonna give some logic, but overall it should speed up your application UI development by at least 50%, if not more.
For more details, you can check out the Voltamex V10 release blog, the official documentation for this, along with training modules and additional resources, either via the QR codes on the screen or links in the description. Thank you for watching.